All right, parents, we made it. We're at the end. The last episode here is actually an engineering challenge for the kids. So they've been doing experiments and all these different things in order to figure out what are the variables that allow seeds to grow. Today we're going to talk about spreading seeds around and all the different ways in which seeds spread around. We talk about wind, we talk about getting stuff stuck on my shirt, we can talk about animals eating them and then moving away and actually them coming out of the animal. All those things are ways in which seeds get spread away from the parent. The idea here is that the parent tree or the parent plant grows here, does its thing, but then the seeds have to get away from that, because if they drop directly below, say, the oak tree, like I talk about, now they're competing for water, they're competing for sunlight, they're competing for all those other things with the oak tree that is sitting there. So seeds actually have to get spread. And so seeds and different plants have all kinds of different ways in which they can spread seeds. You got the little helicopter things that come out of some of the trees. You've got the fact that some of them are in fruit, which taste good. And the big idea there is that something will eat it and then spread the seed away, through the animal. So lots of different ways in which these can happen. This is actually an engineering project. So, if you have some seeds left over from your experiment before, or if you want to look at some grass seed or some other seeds, or just even just kind of make it up, what are some ways in which they can make a object that will help spread those seeds? We spread seeds as humans in terms of farming and those kinds of things. We purposefully, Johnny Appleseed, you can bring up that, spreading seeds. But most of the time, plants actually have their own ways for seeds to get out of there. So, can they come up with a way in which things will stick to it? Can they come up with a way in which it's tasty? Can they come up with a way in which it'll go in the wind and kind of twirl around? So those are kind of some ideas that they can start with, and then let them go. And really the idea is to use your imagination and come up with a solution to this problem that the seeds need to spread away. Thank you so much for all of your hard work. And if you have any questions, please contact your teacher, or you can contact me at likescience2020@gmail.com. Please subscribe to this page for future updates with different lessons, and I will see you soon.